Hey guys, let's see what I bring you today. Yeah, it's all about hot end. Let's start. All three contestants are in positions. Our first contender is a Bamboo Lab clone. It is a clone. It looks decent, right? It is an hardened steel nozzle. A brand new one. The second one is obviously it came from Snapmaker, a 0.4 stainless steel nozzle, which is a spare come along with my U1. You can see it's very shiny, the nozzle. Hey, what's the one behind us? Da, 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 da. Let's see. Was it? Was it? Was it? Oh yes! It's a new 0.8 hardened steel nozzle from Snapmaker. Thank you, Snapmaker, giving me this chance to test their engineering prototype. I'll try my best to see how it performs. Nice.